Well, the Raspberry Pi is turned off, so let's power it on. It has standard Raspbian on it, or Raspberry Pi OS it's called nowadays. So it will take a while to boot. And after the boot is finished, it will show the host name, the wireless address, the Wi-Fi address, and the Ethernet IP address. Well, there it comes. Was trying to connect to wireless, to Wi-Fi, and it shows the IP addresses. A little bit different for both, but they are in the same subnet. So everything should be fine. Now let's deconnect, the Ethernet connector. There you see it. It will update the IP address to not available. The host name of this Raspberry Pi is for now Raspberry. Thank you for watching.